Hello, beautiful family. How are you all doing? Thank you so importantly for always tuning in. I really do appreciate. If today the first time you are coming across us, or you are hearing our voice for the first time, we still remain your one and only, ever ready, bringing it to you as you all know. So, my wonderful family, without not wasting much of your time, today I just want us to do quick.
The lamentation and the tears of the humiliated Nzama boy. Chai! Eh? Famaro, listen. Because at times, so na him and I go to for the guy each Diegos or me just I each Diego or Meko. So look at that. You know the money. You know the money. You know the money. You not a come man from there. I'm not the other guy. But they want to go to play probably from I go to because at times, so na him and I go to for the guy each Diegos or me just I each Diego or Meko. So look at that. Simon, itere ọgbọrọ n'ahụ nke na amizi ami ejide gị ebe a emea fejide gị fasi oh we have finished him faga na dibịa anya nzu. They forget that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu told them dibịa anya nzu cannot help you. We are ụmụ Chineke. I know the worst part of it is that some of them will still open their ugly demon infested mouth and say they are ụmụ Chineke. I have treated that title or the topic called ụmụ Chineke. Do you know why these people will be so humiliated and destroyed? Because they call themselves Umu Chineke and they are involving in the practice of wickedness and demon. They are eating with the devil and they call themselves Umu Chineke. That is why they will be destroyed beyond recognition. That's why they will be completely humiliated. Nothing will save them. Nothing. And where the figure save what? Because they have mixed their hand and have involved into iniquity. Once you put your hands into iniquity, you soil your hand with evil. And you are talking about Biafra. Light and darkness cannot walk. You will be destroyed without remedy. God always he has a plan. He always have a plan. He has a way to deliver his people. You may think it is only one direction. If it will come the way you planned it, then it is not God. If it will come the way you have arranged it, then it is not God. God will do it in a way that when it happens, you will know that no Chuku. It can only be God. That is why it is surprising to them when we come and say 101 days to go. In the eyes of man, it looks impossible, but not with God. Not with God, because with God nothing shall be impossible, except we did not put our anchor in him, except we did not raise the dragon flag and say enough is enough. This kingdom of darkness called Nigeria must be buried, because light and darkness cannot be in the same place. Go and read your Bible. In the book of John, it says that the light shineth in darkness, and darkness comprehended it not. We are the light of God. We are the children of heaven. We are the light of the world. And Nigeria is darkness. The light in us is going to swallow the darkness wherever it is found. Wherever that darkness is found, the light of God in us will destroy it. It choked them. It shocked them. It choked them. They never saw this dragon with a double-edged sword. Double-edged sword. That is why how can I explain to these idiots that don't have sense? I don't have a knife here to show them. Double-edged sword. And our own is so supernatural that even if you put your hand in the middle where you think it's not sharp, like this or tell them who we are. We are autopiloted IPOB. Don't dare us. Don't dare us. It is either you join us or you step aside. You cannot stand on our way. We will swallow you. And you know. The dragon is in the front, blowing fire and brimstone. You cannot stand this fire. And as long as you cannot stand this fire, one man, step aside. Go and join the zoo in their politics. We are Biafrans. We are not Nigerians. We have no business with Nigeria. As far as we are concerned, Nigeria is the kingdom of darkness that must be buried completely. Two-edged sword. You didn't see it coming. Did you know? Did you know? Emma. Uwa emaragon. Uwa no matter. Sepu no ake we no fe tupu oburu aka mmadu. Close your mouth. Come. You still have time to lock it up. Ike Guru Ago have told you. It could the mother de ha. Eseba won't ya. Osebe ne mea. Ayade jide because on machineke. Ikuku. You can't hold him. And because he's the spokesperson of this movement, he tells us where to go. You can't hold us. We are formidable, autopiloted IPOB. We encourage those that are gifted, those that have something to offer for Nigeria to end and for Biafra to emerge. Those that have all the financial, spiritual, social, whatever wherewithal that we can use to end the zoo once and for all. We are giving the zoo a final blow. Final blow. We are not joking. We are not joking. So that is why if you cannot beat them, you join them. Hey. Have you not heard that phrase before? Now bamba nefu. One you can go the corner. I want you know could you make on Gamana Ununa Wachukumba. Ade tia now or the Konya Potano to Sana. If he made him, I made Tibugi, you will Akagi, Ababusia, Ade tia no or double-edged sword. Double dragon with a double-edged sword. Usino na walk va. O rake ona piasa sindiro. Na piasa sindiro. Na kubo sifanaga 2023. Biafra must come. 101 days to go. And we are marching into our freedom. Don't dare this double-edged sword. You never saw it coming, but now you have seen it. Surrender and allow us to get Biafra. You don't know how to get it. Allow us to get it. We know how. We know how. So just back off. Stay aside. Egon kunuri gani riwoko ubunu gani ka afo sabu sunu egon kunuri hapo no mutuku kahaga nwero mo ha. We are not fighting this fight forever. The dragon came in 2019 and it was a 5 years project. 5 years. 2019, 2020, 21, 22, 23. 5 years. After he said, una no get back since 19. Una say they are COVID-19. COVID-19 brought a lot of change to the whole world. The system changed, everything changed. And so also, those of them that are calling COVID-19 freedom fighters, we came in to bring that change that will bring a total transformation. A new beginning. Even for you. Oyenzama. For you, Chike Dozia. For you, China Samwe Kwensu Mohammed Abbas. Idiots. Open their mouth. He said he will destroy Nigeria. How can you be challenging Nigeria? Can you believe that? Even Ejiro, shameless woman, open her mouth and say, Simon said he will destroy Nigeria. How can he say he will destroy Nigeria? He's the one that is making people to die. That is the only accusation they have on Simon. That Simon said he will destroy Nigeria. Me, I am telling you now, I will destroy Nigeria. We will bring Nigeria to its knees. We will crumble that zoo. We will destroy it. And Biafra must come. Idiotic people. So Simon said he will destroy Nigeria, that he will burn down Nigeria, and then you call that a crime. Then I'm missing the people that are calling Nnamdi criminal, you agree with them. Because it is not today that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu have said that he will destroy the zoo. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu has vowed to destroy the zoo. That is his mission. He has said it severally. My mission is to end Nigeria, to destroy Nigeria. That is his mission. And then today, you have been fighting one man, and you have used every propaganda. Now, the recent propaganda now is that he said he will burn down Nigeria. Fire is already burning Nigeria, and we are going to kindle it the more. And every one of you that are angry that Mazi Simon Ekpa said he will destroy Nigeria, be ready to be consumed alongside with Nigeria. The fire we are setting on Nigeria will consume you, every one of you. Try this double-edged sword again and see your end. evil people, wicked demons. You don't deserve to be alive in the land of the living. You hate righteousness, you hate freedom, and therefore no goodness and mercy will locate you. Every one of you that opened your mouth facing the righteous one, you will all perish. You will perish. And everything you have ever labored for will be consumed with the fire that we are setting upon Nigeria. Nigeria will be burned down, and the children of God will go free. I'm telling you, take it to the bank. 2023 is the end. We have crossed the Rubicon. Did you not hear it? Do you not know the meaning of we have crossed the Rubicon? Go and ask Mazin Namekano, ask that idiotic lawyer what he understands by what Mazin Namekano said. Doesn't he know? That is why the idiot said over his dead body, will Simon pile up the affairs? We don't need your validation anymore. The whole nation of Biafra are behind Master Simon Ekpa. They are all autopiloted. And they say, Master Simon, go. Come and see, oh, come and see. Come and see what that dragon has done. It is marvelous in our eyes. Cross the Rubicon, the point of no return. No looking back. We are going across the line. That bridge. Nigeria will perish. Nigeria will be gone. Forgotten. Gone with the wind. We are the warriors, the last men standing to end the zoo. Idiots, lily-livered vultures. To hell with every one of you. The children of heaven are going home, and there's no stopping us. If you're watching this program, please like it, subscribe to the channel, and follow us. We are moving to the permanent site, and that is Biafra, and there's no way we can look back. May God bless our leader, Mazin Namekano, the one who saw this autopiloted movement and said, we are on autopilot, I can assure you. And may the Lord bless Chief Oloye Sunday Boho. May the Lord bless Pabanji Akintoye. May the Lord bless Olayomi Koiki. And may the Lord bless our dragon. The double-edged sword. The Kaka Nobu. The taproot. Master Simon Ekpa. The Biafran spokesperson. May the Lord bless you, Master Simon. You are doing well. Fantastically well. And Biafrans may recognize when we see those that are doing well. And we're standing right behind you. And we're going to end them. We're ending all of them. And we're entering into our new country, Biafra, the land of the rising sun. And may the Lord bless you that is there. You that is there that have not yet subscribed, that is going to subscribe now and pick this video, share it on the groups. Share it on the groups of all the Indian Zama. Share it, send it to Gumi of DOS. Send it to Ejiro, the confused woman that doesn't know where she stands. Send it to Chike Dozieha, the confused criminal. Send it to all of them. Tell them, 2023, Biafra, we are going home. I'll see you when the Lord permits us to see. Probably this evening, by the grace of Chuko Kabia. Keep me in your prayers. I'm still struggling with this. My throat, the weather is hard on me, but I'm not going to keep quiet. Thank you. I love you, but Chuko Kabiama loves you more. See you later. Come see you.
My word, that brings us to the end of this beautiful update. Do well to like this video, share and subscribe. The best thing for you to do is to join this family by smashing on that red subscribe button that says subscribe and turn on the bell icon for more latest updates. See you when I see you. From me to you, I say bye.